Good morning. It's the 21st of April, Thursday the 21st of April, and it's coming up to 8 o'clock. And I'm up at the Branyel viewpoint looking out over Belfast. And I'm up actually to video this cruise ship. It's the MSC Magnifica, which has docked in Belfast Harbour in the last hour or so. And this is one of the things, I try to video quite a number of the cruise ships coming into Belfast. And this is one of the imponderables about trying to video cruise ships arriving into Belfast, because you could be thinking that a cruise ship is going to arrive at 8 o'clock and it's actually here early, and on the other hand it could arrive late. So I don't have that video of the Magnifica coming into Belfast. Of course, she arrived early, and that's what happens with cruise ships. They chop and change at the drop of a hat, and you can miss the video that you really wanted to make. But anyway, that's my little rant over. This is the Belfast viewpoint. This is the MSC Magnifica cruise ship, and our cruise ship season has started pretty early once again. This boat here was built in 2010. Let's get on her. There she is there. Using a wee handheld Panasonic 260. So it's difficult enough to stay on what your target. The builder was Chantier de l'Atlantique, and that's Saint-Nazaire, France. No cruise ships built in UK, haven't been from the early 60s. Our governments give up building ships, you know, when Britain ruled the waves. Well, Britain rules no waves today. Can't even build a tanker. Can't build anything. Can hardly even build their own naval vessels. Anyway, rant. This boat cost $550 million US, and she's operated by MSC Cruises. Number of passengers 2,250 can be accommodated. Crew just over 1,014. Tonnage 95,000 tons and 128. It's got 16 decks, it's got 3 swimming pools, it's got a gym, got a spa, it's got an Art Deco theatre that, I'm off the target here. It's got an Art Deco theatre that can hold 1,250, and it's got a casino. You just need a casino. Yeah, that's what I'll be looking for on a cruise ship. It's got a cinema, it's got a bowling alley, it's got restaurants and bars galore. And it's doing a round of North Europe. It's several cruises, one back to back around North Europe, and Belfast is on the itinerary. And then it's going to head in September around the Med. This is interesting. How do they do this? Last year it was refurbished, 2021, and this ship was stretched by 23 metres. And it took 140 further euro, this is million, to do this renovation. You know, how do you stretch a cruise ship by 23 metres? How do you do this? I just find this amazing. You know, do you break the cruise ship in half? And now, as well as being stretched by 23 metres, this boat has got the state-of-the-art ecological fuel system that it, you know, its emissions have been reduced phenomenally, and it's one of the best cruise ships for low emissions in the world. How do you do this? The technology to do this is just unbelievable. So this is the MSC Magnifica. I should have got lengths and breadths, and I didn't get that, but there we go. And here she is sitting down in Belfast. And a big packed cruise ship season ahead of Belfast. People want to come to Belfast. 40 years ago, nobody wanted to come to Belfast. Nobody! What are you coming to Belfast for? But there's plenty to see and plenty to do, and people want to come. There's the MSC, and there's the Little Stena. By comparison. Oh. Safe sailing to the MSC Magnifica, and may God bless all who sail in her. Keep them safe. And this is where I am. Quite nippy, but it's going to be a beautiful day like yesterday. We had temperatures up on 16 degrees centigrade. It was not amazing? Whoa, whoopee too. Is this our summer? Is this our summer, I say? There's Mr. and Mrs. Rabbit. You're on YouTube, and you didn't even know it. Hey, hope you're good where you are. I'm in good shape. There's the Horn and Roof cranes. Sitting redundant. I'll go on to another rant here. Two of the finest cranes in the world and sitting redundant. Ah dear. Successive British governments have allowed all our manufacturing industries to go to the third world. Rant, rant, rant. See you soon.